Hi guys, welcome back to TechCatAssist. I hope that you have a great day. In this video I want to show you how you can add end task button option on the apps that actually are running but they have some difficulties or they're not responding. This option is available in Windows 11 version 2.3 H2. So that's the latest edition, latest update from Windows 11. You can put an option end task if you have on the taskbar app opened and it's not responding. You can just right click on that app and just click on option end task. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you here today, as well as how you can create a shortcut on your desktop to kill all the apps that are not responding. Okay. Before I'm going to show that to you guys, just please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, make a comment. That'd be great. So without any further ado, I'm gonna go down here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So I have the first of all, if you want to check the version of Windows, so I'm gonna click on Start. I'm gonna make sure that you have the latest one. Okay, so click on Start, then go to Settings, go to System. Okay, scroll down and check About. So I have here version 2.3H2. Okay, so I know that the option is available for me. So I want to put an option to have end task on the apps that are actually running and on the taskbar, so on the bottom here. Okay, so I have a few apps running at the moment. So I'm gonna go back to Home. Okay, and we need to go back to System. Okay, now here option for developers. Okay, so click on that. Now you see I have that enabled. End task, enable end task in taskbar by right click. So I have that switched on. So in order to check this now, I'm gonna minimize this. Okay, and then you can see that, for example, the actually I'm gonna go for this one, or maybe Google Chrome. So I have here Google Chrome open and I right click on it and I have option here end all tasks. Okay, so this is how you can enable that in Windows. So end all task, if you press on it, it will kill all the tasks for Google Chrome. So if Google Chrome is not responding, you don't have to go to Task Manager as I was showing you in my other video, but you can just use this option. This is with the new Windows version. Okay, 2.3H2 2.3H2, sorry. Okay, so so that's that. And now I want to create a shortcut that will kill all the apps that actually are not responding. Okay, only apps that are not responding. So there's a command. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to create that shortcut. Right click anywhere on the desktop, then option shortcut. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I have here a command, so I'm gonna just copy that command. I'm gonna put that in my description. So it's taskkill space /f/fi and then status equals to not responding. So I'm gonna put that in my comments as well as in the video as well. So just click on next and you can name that shortcut kill all tasks. Finish. So that's it. I have a shortcut here. So if I click on it now, I don't have any apps that are not responding, but if you have something that is not responding, that will kill all the apps. So you can just enable them. Okay, we can relaunch them. Okay, of course, if none of this is working, you can just restart the computer, but you can try those things first. It's very handy to have these options, you know, in Windows, especially the end task on the right hand side, right click on the taskbar. So guys, yeah, that's it. It's a very short video, so thanks very much for watching. If you have any comments, give me a shout. I hope that you like the video. Share my video, like my channel. Thanks very much. See you for the next one. Take care.